All right, to identify a linear function, it's very, very, very simple. Okay? Give me a number, any number. 7. Give me another number, any number. 28. Let's go with 2. All right, now if I add 2 with 7, I get what? And I add 2 to that, I get... And I add 2 to that, I get... How much? And I add 2 to that, I get... Okay, does everyone follow what I did? MTS?
Do I write that down?
Okay.
Yes. Do you follow what I did, MTS?
Yeah.
What did I do?
That right there.
Robert? What did I do?
Oh no.
All I did was add 2 to each one. I added 2 to 7, I got 9. I add 2 to 9, I get 11. I add 2 to 11, I get 3. Or 13. I add 2 to 13, I get 15, okay? Does everyone see that, right? Pretty easy, right? Okay, now, give me a number, any number. 17. Okay? Give me another number, Edna, between 1 and 10. Give me positive or negative. 5. Add 5 to 17, what do you get?
Wait, what?
Add 5 to 17, what do you get? 22. Add 5 to 22, what do you get?
27.
Add 5 to 27, what do you get? Add 5 to 32, what do you get? 37. So it's just plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. Alright. Here's the thing. If this goes up by the same amount every time, right? And this one goes up by the same amount every time, this is linear. Okay? Now, eventually, by the end of this chapter, Robert, wake up. By the end of this chapter, we're going to know how to do this. Okay? I'm going to take 11 and 27, and I'm going to take 13 and 32, and I'm going to stack it and smack it. I got 27 over 11. I've got 32 over 13. See how I stack those up? Then I smack it. That's going to become my slope. When I do that, I found that this is what? Negative 5. And this is what? Negative 2, right? So I get 5 halves. That is my slope. I can find my y-intercept by plugging in any x and y. Any one of them. Choose one of these. Any one you want. You want to use the 7, the 9, the 11, the 13, or the 15? Which one? 11? So we got to use 11 and 27. See, I had to grab the x and the y. Y equals mx plus b. This is our goddess equation. This is where we're going. By the end of this chapter, this is what we're going to be able to do. Okay? I'm going to take this y, which is 27, this m, which is 5 halves, this x, which is 11, right? And add it to the b, I'm going to figure out what B is. Okay? What's 11 times 5? Come on, people. 55. Okay? What is, and then remember, I add the opposite to both sides, right? Minus 55 over 2. Alright? Well, how many times does 2 go into 55? 2 goes into 5? 2 times with 1 left over. 2 goes into 15. 7 times with 1 left over. 1 left over the 2. So I'm going to subtract 27 and a half from 27. How much do I get left? A half. So, in fact, negative a half, right? So B is equal to negative 1/2. I have B, I have M. Y equals X, right? Minus 1/2. Y equals mx plus b. This is the equation of the line that we just made up with a bunch of numbers. Do you have to know any of this? Not yet. This will be on your final. This is what you're going to do on your final. Will I make it this hard? No. This is what I do for my pre-cal students and my Algebra 2 students. Okay? I make it this hard. You guys will have much easier numbers, I promise you. Okay? But this is where we're going. This is what we're doing. This is why I need you to focus. Now, you guys did everything perfect and quick and easy. Right? The only thing we need to do right now, today, is to know that if these go up by the same amount and these go up by the same amount, then it's linear. Okay? That's what I need to know today. I also need to be able to write something in what's called standard form. Okay? So we'll talk about that next. Let me just talk one more time. Let me ask you, is this linear? And you tell me. Okay? X and Y. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Is that linear? Why?
You're adding 5.
Because I'm adding 5 and
2.
I'm adding 2. Okay, good. Is this linear? 5, 10, 15, 20. 2, 6, negative 4, 8. Is that linear? No. Because it didn't go up by the same amount every time, right? Now, even if this was 2, 6, 4, and 8, still not linear, right? I didn't go up by the same amount. You see how that works? So this is not linear. And this is linear. Okay? You have to know that today. That's it. That's it. That's all we're working on. Okay?
Oh, that's easy.